Okay, final score po, 75-84. Winner by 14 points, Team Oryx. Compress, compress. Compress po, compress, compress.
Alright.
Okay, Team Oryx come from behind victory. 75-89. Win number 3, I think so. Win number 3. 3-1 ang kanilang ano, improving pa 3-1.
Alright.
Thank you very much po. And who's the player of the game? Okay. Sino po best player of the game? Okay. It's Pulintan, number 1. Team Oryx, number 1. Si Pulintan po ang best player of the game. Okay, Pulintan po, best player of the game po yan. Okay, Sir Pulintan, congratulations for and winning also in laro po nyo. Come from behind victory mula first quarter hanggang fourth quarter. Let's say final 3 minutes po ng fourth quarter, kultural po nila. Biglang kayo nabuhayan po ng laro. Ano naging sekreto nyo po? Sa uli po parang nag-Gian na nag-coordinate. Okay? At yung importante, yung long bomb na pumasok na sa yung talagang ano, yung pang-panagdan nyo. What to expect now? You're not 3-1. Meron pa kayong, meron pa kayong 6 games to go. Mababa pa yan. Okay. Sige, sir. Sir Marsigan. Shoutout. Pamilya, loved ones, everybody. Sige.
Shoutout sa Team Oryx.
Okay, Oryx.
Team Angkos Grade.
Yun lang. Isang minuto yan, pre. Lulusubos mo yun. Okay, yan po si Mr. Pulintan. Okay, tago mo yan. Yan po yung si Mr. Pulintan po. Winner. Yan po, ang panalo po. Winner po ang Team Oryx. Mami po tayo is Boleros versus the Projects. Ito po final score po natin, 75-89.